Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the academic writer feature on the AI Chatbot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, click on view all in the upper right corner, and here you should tap on the academic writer function or feature. Here you should type in the instructions, so type in the topic that you need to write an article or essay about or on, such as I need help writing an article on modern trends in renewable energy generation, and type in all of the relevant information that your essay needs to contain. Type it in and click on the send button, and then your essay or article will be generated. Here you can find the abstract, the introduction, the essay itself, and so on. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.